book so bright. Open the pages glowing with light. Binky the bunny hopped with cheer. Let's see where the magic takes us, dear. Swish went the trees, the jungle appeared. Birds sang a song that everyone cheered. Monkeys swung high, parrots took flight. Waterfall sparkled, oh what a sight. They danced with the toucans, skipped with the deer. Every new moment brought laughter near. Through vines and flowers they wandered free, discovering wonders as friends with glee. When the stars rose and the sky turned blue, the book whispered softly, time's calling you back to their home with memories grand. A jungle adventure they'll